Yo, what is good? We are back and we got a new video for you today from today's sponsor, Tymate. They got a tire pressure monitoring system we're going to check out. It's real easy to set up. This can be ran through USB or it can be ran with the solar panel on top. So this can be 100% wire free. It's a really nice low profile, nice clean look. This kind of device would be ideal for a vehicle or a trailer or something where the vehicle doesn't actually have a tire monitoring system itself. Plus, this gives you more detailed information about your tires. This is going to give you the tire pressure as well as giving you the temperature, and it'll give you an alarm if you have a low pressure, low temp, or high temp. The device itself, you can customize a lot of different settings, including your low temp, high temp, low pressure, high pressure settings, add a spare tire sensor, or even add an extra tire in the back if you have a dually set up. These are very easy to install. They come with a retainer in the back. This little nut, you can use it to tighten back onto the sensor after you install it to ensure that the sensor doesn't fall off while you're driving. There's 5 alarm styles and user-defined values. The screen is backlit, so it's easy to see even if it's dark in the vehicle. With very low energy consumption, the sensors last a very long time. And with the solar power unit on top, you got a pretty nice setup here. And if you want the battery to last even longer, you can set the unit on a power saving mode. Real quick, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel to help out. I appreciate you guys so much.